Aruba, here we come. We woke up at 3:22 a.m. from the hotel by the airport and got all our bags ready to go. We left from Detroit and flew into Miami for a layover. From Miami, we flew into Aruba. The water was so beautiful. It was such a nice, pretty aqua blue. I've never seen water that beautiful of a blue before. We landed and took a taxi to La Cabana Beach Resort and Casino, which is where we stayed. But currently I am showing you the resort that was right next to us. We walked here many times to get to different places and get to the bus stop. And we also ate there, I believe, one of the nights. So let me show you around the resort La Cabana. This is kind of the inner courtyard by the pool area. And they have grills over by the pool as well that you can use. The pool was actually pretty big. We mostly swam in it at night when it wasn't crowded. And then here's the pool bar next to the resort restaurant that we ate at a few of our meals here. Then there was music area where we had live music each day. Oh, and the pool has 2 hot tubs, a slide, and a volleyball net. This is inside of the hotel lobby. We never made it into the casino. They have a Cinnabon and a really beautiful stained glass window. Here we go. Here's the stained glass window. They have flavored water out by the waterfall. And then if you walk past the Cinnabon and casino, there are some shops. The first shop is a gift shop. And my sister actually bought a lightweight sweater from here that says Aruba on the back of it. Hers is white with more blue tones in it. Just a couple of other things that they had in the shop. And then next to that was the aloe store where we bought some bath bombs from. We never went into the jewelry shop. Room tour time. So here is where you first walk in and it goes straight into the bedroom. There's a whole wall of a window with curtain. There's a ceiling fan. There's a closet with a mirror on it. You get a dresser, a TV. And then you walk down a little bit and then to the right is the bathroom. Pretty nice bathroom, and they actually had aloe products for you to use as far as toiletries, which was really nice. And then here's the shower, and then they had like a string that you could hang up your bathing suits in to dry them out. And then go down the hall a little bit farther. This is kind of the living room, dining, kitchen area. So the other wall is all windows, and there's like a little deck out there. There's a couch, a little kitchenette area, which was really useful, very handy. We definitely took advantage of that. And then, yeah, a little dining room area as well with another TV that we never used. So here, let me show you the deck real quick. Pull back the curtains. So this is just the little deck that we had. Not much of a view. So here I'm just kind of showing you my travel outfit that I wore for that first day. This is inside the Islander, which is the resort's restaurant. It's really cool because they have all of these bamboo like set up all throughout the restaurant, and people sign their names and date and write little notes on it. And what was really cool is my parents had actually come and stayed here, and so they had written theirs a couple times years back, and then we put ours here for this year. Just some local beers, and then this is the menu. And just kind of showing you what they have. We tried a couple of different things from here because we ate here a couple times. The first meal I had was either mahi-mahi or it was grouper. I can't remember which one exactly, but this is what I had. And then my sister had the chicken, I believe this was. And then we got some drinks. That pretty much wraps up our arrival day.